Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the stock on the thumbnail and why it looks really good and why you should also keep it in your watch list for the next coming days. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who put your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's video. So without further ado, let's get started. So right off the bat, again, I did tell you this morning that this downtrend wasn't gonna be like forever, and it did go sideways, and there was some opportunities to make some money to the upside. So thankfully, the market didn't collapse, which is good. Now that stock on the thumbnail is actually NET. Yeah. And the pattern that I see on this stock today had an amazing day. There was a massive push right here, which resulted from this. It resulted from this right here. The pattern is on the 1 hour chart right over here, right there. Okay. And this is a bullish penny, kind of like the past like 3 afternoon videos that I made. Yeah, it seems like it's the same one over and over again. And the price target for this one is anywhere up here. Anywhere up here. And it looks like it wants to get there, which is really nice. So definitely keep your eyes on this one. It broke out. It broke out today. And so far it's continuing aftermarket, and it looks like it wants to go even higher. So there is definitely money to be made, and I will be keeping my eye on this one again on Friday. So there is the stock of tomorrow. Actually, no, not tomorrow, of Friday, and the following days after that. All right. Now let's talk about you guys' stock. Okay, let's talk about you guys' stock. The very first one that we should all look at is AMD. Somebody asked about AMD, and I thought this was a great stock to highlight because it actually looks really good. It looks really good. If we look on here, there is a reverse head and shoulders right off the bat. I can see it's right there. Okay, and ever since this happened, it's been uptrending ever since, and now it's trying to more consolidation would be good for the stock. Just like one more day before breaking above resistance level. Just one more day before breaking above that would be nice. So definitely watch AMD for a long. I'm not bearish on it at all. It's been uptrending, and so far it's kind of looking like it's not as clean as I would like it to be. It's not as clean. Actually, maybe it is as clean. Yeah, it is as clean. So yeah, definitely watch this one for a potential long to the upside. With if not on Friday, then definitely on Monday. Okay, keep your eyes on AMD. It could go all the way up to like anywhere over here. Again, anywhere over here. Okay, it may even get there faster. So definitely keep your eyes on AMD. Now, the next stock that we should look at, and this one is actually it looks really good. Somebody brought it up in the comment section of this morning's video, and it is Yeti. And Yeti looks like it's about to. It's actually squeezing these short sellers right here out of their position. Ever since this drop, it's been slowly recovering and recovering. And then today, there was some good amount of volume in here. Let's look at it on a daily chart. On a daily chart, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to me. There's a bullish engulfing candle right over here on the daily chart, right where the short sellers are. So definitely watch this one for a continuation on Friday and also like during the next week that follows. It looks really good. It looks really good. I don't have any negative thing to say about the stock. It's very strong. It's been going up, and it's still going up, and it's about to crush these people right here. So again, another one for the longs. The next stock that we're going to cover is Netflix. And in the morning video, I talked about Netflix, and I talked about how it was due for a move upwards after the bullish harami. And luckily for us, it opened at 485, which is exactly what I wanted. It opened right at 485. Okay, and then it went sideways again, sideways. And the perfect entry for this one was right over here. Okay, or anywhere down here if you were like if you just wanted to buy a dip, then yeah. But I definitely see this one going a little bit higher, especially given the fact that it didn't collapse. The bullish rami is there, and we're still trending upwards. Aftermarket is it's at the same price, so we'll see exactly how it opens on Friday. So definitely keep that one on your watch list as well. Some of y'all have been asking me about whether CGC is still a buy, and CGC it had a little pullback today. It did. It dropped along with every like airline industry. And then what happens after it recovered immediately and got right back to where it was, and now it's even higher. Okay. So I'm not opposed to this at all. Again, this is still a long for me. And I do think that it's gonna go all the way up to like $30, maybe $32 very, very soon. And for those of you who missed the reason why, it's because of this pattern right there. The pattern is on the chart right here, okay? And I'm not bearish on it, and I'm still long on this, still long bias on this. So definitely keep this one on your watch list. If you're holding this, then just hold it. I don't have any opposing thoughts to CGC. Now the next one that we should be looking at is actually Moderna. Moderna had a great day today. It really, really did. It really did. And so far, like I'm not bearish on this. Like this thing is on a tear. Obviously they have their vaccine product that came out with like 94.5% efficacy, but the final results, like the very finalized thing, hasn't come out yet, and it's expected to come out. They also had a deal finalized in like for a supply of like 160 million vaccines. So that's why the stock is like all the way up here now. Okay. And watch this thing for a continuation on Friday. I'm not bearish on it yet. I do think it has some more room to run. I do think so. And personally, I would like to, where I would feel comfortable as a short seller to go in shorts would be anywhere like 130 if it's really, really, really fast, or 140. Just anywhere up there will be great. Okay, for that's what the short sellers will really be comfortable at, because the harder it goes, the better it looks. And if it stays at 113 and stays at this price right here, then there is a great opportunity for a long play too, all the way up there. So you can play this in both ways. Like this looks good, and it's definitely something that you want to keep in your watch list for today. All right. Now we got time for one more stock. The next one that we're gonna talk about is Square. In Square, I wasn't too bullish on this at first, and then it started squeezing all of these short sellers right here. Okay, and right now it's currently at a critical resistance level. And the nice thing about that is that people who are short over here don't like it, and people who are short over here definitely hate it. So watch this one for a potential long, especially above $215. It got upgraded by Perform to Credit Suisse today, and yeah, it's not looking bad at all. It's not looking bad. Shorts are pissed. Obviously, you can see that. It's right there, and it can go higher. It definitely can, given the fact that it didn't collapse over here. So definitely keep that one on your watch list as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. Again, if you got value from this video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as always. Also, if you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos, which are released every single day at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos like this one, which are released in the afternoon every single day. Tomorrow, there will not be a pre-market analysis video because the market is closed, and we will continue in the afternoon tomorrow, obviously, and then on Friday morning. All right. Now, if you are not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you are a beginner looking to make some money in the stock market, looking to get started, I left some step by step directions in the description of the video. Step 1 through 4. It only takes about 15 minutes or less to get signed up and to have access to this amazing tool called Think or Swim offered by TD Ameritrade. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.